How to download DAZN on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you will need to go to the App Store, so click the Amazon Apps icon on the homepage of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Once you're on the App Store, you'll want to click the top right hand corner where you see the little magnifying glass. Then you'll want to type in DAZN. Then you should see the logo there. You can just click on that. Then you want to click on Get on the right hand side of the page. Then you'll want to click Download where you see the little free download pop up in the middle of the screen. Once you've clicked the green download button, it should take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your speed. Then you can open it up on this page or go to the home screen of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Then click on the DAZN app. Then once you click on the DAZN app, you can log into an existing account or you can create a new one and use it from there. So leave a like on the video if that helped you out and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.